Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a glider in LEGO Fortnite. First, you need to understand the basic principles of flight within the game. Gliders allow you to traverse large distances quickly and safely. We will cover gathering materials, assembling the parts, and testing your creation. This guide will help you build an effective flying machine for your adventures, ensuring a smooth and fun experience. To begin, you will need to gather specific materials. For the main frame, collect 8 pieces of wood from trees. Next, acquire 4 pieces of fabric, which can be obtained from defeating spiders or breaking down tents. You will also need a crafting bench, which is essential for combining these items. Ensure you have enough space in your inventory for all these vital resources. Now, let's assemble your glider. Start by placing a dynamic foundation, which will serve as your base. Then, attach the 8 pieces of wood to form a sturdy frame on top of this foundation. Finally, connect the 4 pieces of fabric to create the canopy, giving your glider its lift. Make sure all parts are securely attached for a stable flight. With your glider built, it's time for testing. Find a high vantage point, like a tall mountain or a constructed ramp, and launch your creation. Observe its flight path and stability. If needed, adjust the placement of components or add more structural support. Experiment with different materials or designs to optimize for speed or maneuverability, enhancing your overall flying experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.